Immerse in the rich tapestry of Lahore, Pakistan's heartland city where history and culture intertwine in a vibrant dance. A city whose roots plunge deep into the sands of time, where every brick and stone whispers tales of a past filled with grandeur. Picture a city born in the cradle of civilizations. Lahore, the heart of Pakistan, is a city that has seen the rise and fall of empires, each leaving an indelible mark on its rich cultural heritage. From the architectural marvels of the Mughal Empire to the poignant remnants of the British colonial rule, Lahore is a living testament to the history that has shaped not only Pakistan but also the entire subcontinent. The city's history is a tale of resilience and transformation. Through the ages, Lahore has weathered invasions, witnessed power shifts, and adapted to cultural exchanges. Yet it has managed to retain its unique character, a harmonious blend of the old and the new. But Lahore is not just about its past. It's also a thriving hub of culture and creativity where tradition and modernity walk hand in hand. The city is home to countless artists, musicians, and poets contributing to a vibrant art scene that is as diverse as the city's history. The city's social fabric is woven with threads of festivities and celebrations. Lahore's calendar is dotted with colorful festivals, each a reflection of the city's diverse cultural heritage. From the spring celebrations of Basant to the spiritual gatherings of Urs, Lahore knows how to celebrate life in all its hues. The city's culinary scene is a gastronomic delight with food that reflects the city's multicultural heritage. From the aromatic biryanis to the sweet delicacies of gulab jamun, Lahore's food is a feast for the senses. The charm of Lahore lies not just in its historical monuments or its vibrant culture, but also in its people. The Lahoris are known for their warmth and hospitality. Their zest for life is contagious, making every visitor feel right at home. In summary, Lahore is a city of contrasts, where the old coexists with the new, where history meets modernity. It's a city that wears its history with pride and celebrates its culture with gusto. It's a city that invites you to experience its rich heritage, its vibrant culture, and its warm hospitality. So delve into the heart of Pakistan and discover the magic that is Lahore.